This lecture is about the absolute value of inequation. In this case, to begin with, draw the number line and then let 0 be each one and x equals -1 and x equals 1 plus 1 +1, and then you should divide it into 3 parts like this. And first case, when x is greater than or equal to 1, in this case this will be positive and positive. So you can remove the absolute value x plus 1 minus bracket x minus 1 equals 3, and x cancel and 2 equals 3. Is it correct? The both sides are different, so this one is said to be undefined. Okay, the second case, and this part, when x is between -1 and +1. In this case, x plus 1 will be positive, x minus 1 will be negative. So you can remove the absolute value x plus 1, but not this one. When you remove absolute value, you should attach minus. So this will be plus, and x minus 1 equals 3. And 2x cancel equals 3. Therefore x value is 3 on 2. But you should check whether this one is the answer or not within this domain, and x is between -1 and +1. So this is not answer. No answer. And third case, when x is less than or equal to -1, both are negative. Therefore, when you remove the absolute value sign, you should attach minus. And minus x plus 1 minus and minus times minus plus x minus 1 equals 3. Yeah. And expand minus x minus 1 plus x minus 1 equals 3. Cancel. Minus 2 equals 3. Unbalanced. Yeah, both are different, not same. Therefore, this will be undefined. The answer is undefined. And I have another method of solving this one. That is to use a graph. Yeah, graphically have a look at that. Let y equal x plus 1, and that was minus absolute value x minus 1. This let y1 be this one. And the other one, let y2 be 3. Okay, equation 1, equation 2. And let's draw this graph. First one is the same. Draw the number line and -1 and 1 and divide it into 3 parts. And first case, and x is greater than 1, all are positive. Therefore, y1 equals x plus 1 and minus bracket x minus 1 equals cancel and 2, just 2. But this domain should be x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, the second, x is between -1 and +1. Therefore, y1 equals x plus 1, and minus should be changed into positive, and x minus 1. And therefore, this will be 2x, just 2x. Okay, and last one, x, hang on, yeah, x plus 1, x minus 1, sorry. Last one, when x is less than or equal to -1. In this case, all are negative, so y1 equal minus x plus 1 minus plus x minus 1. Therefore, cancel and minus 2. Okay, y equals minus is correct, minus 2 and minus 2, yes, correct. And draw its graph. X-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. And first one, y equals 2. Y equals 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Y equals 2 has this line, and but x must be greater than 1. This one greater than 1. Therefore, only this line valid. And the other one, x1 gradient 2, y equals x, and it passes through the center, and therefore x is 1, y is 2, passes through this point. But x, this is minus 1. X is between -1 and +1. Therefore, graph, straight line, linear line graph, just this one. Yeah, not this. And the other one, last one, y equals -2. Y equals -2, but its domain is x less than -1. This one. Okay, we have got this graph. This is x and y. And y2, have a look at y2 graph. y2 is 3. Where is 3? Y equals 3 line passes through 0 and 3. Two graphs do not meet at any point, so you should answer undefined. Okay.